Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time. It's still your girl Ijoma Flores. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful wig that I'm rocking on now, okay, using braid extension. So if you really want to know how I made it, continue watching this video down to the end, okay, and do well to support your girl by hitting the subscribe button, okay, like the video, comment, share with family and friends, okay, and make sure you leave your notification button on so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So guys, here is the material, the attachment that I'll be using for this project is from Rush Products, color 144, that's gold color. Now I'm going to cut into 4, but mind you, I do not cut all of the attachments, that is the one packet at a time. I'm cutting little by little. At the back now, I cut it into 4 equal parts. When I come to the middle, I'll cut into 3. In the front, I'll make sure I cut into 6. So after cutting, you stretch it. After stretching it, the next thing you need to do is to give it a very good combing, as you can see me doing in the video now. So let's start the work. All you need is your wig cap, your crochet pin, then your working material, that's the attachment. The procedure is that you pass your hook through the net, then you grab a little quantity of hair, then make a loop and pass the remaining hair through the loop. Let me do it again. Pass your hook, grab the hair, make a loop, pass the rest of the hair through that loop and drop. Let me do it again. Pass your hook through the nets, grab the hair, make a loop, then pass it and drop. Let me do it for the 4th time. Pass your hook through the nets, grab the hair, make a loop as I'm showing you, pass the hair through the loop and drop. That's how you continue doing it. I'm still showing you how to make it, okay? You make a loop and pass the hair. I'll still do it again for better understanding. Pass your hook through the nets, grab the hair, then make a loop as I'm showing you, then pass it. See how I'm grabbing it. Make sure you tighten it very well so that it will not lose at the end of everything. That's how you continue doing it, okay? Crocheting is not hard at all, guys. It's not hard at all. That's how you continue doing it, okay? Enjoy watching the video, is self-explanatory, okay? So guys, as you can see, I'm now at the very front, and the attachment I'm holding here now, I cut it into 6 equal parts. I cut it into 6, okay? And the pattern I'm using at this front is that I'm crocheting this on a horizontal format, okay? That's how I'm doing it. As you can see, I've started already. I started from one end, so I'm gonna crochet it down to the other end. Then I'll give a little space and move to second line. That's how you continue doing it, okay? Remember, what I'm trying to create now is that bank, or some persons call it fringes. That's what I'm trying to create now. So this is how I'll continue doing it. You take a little quantity of hair, you pass your hook through the net, you make a loop, pass the remaining hair through the loop. The same procedure, nothing else have changed, just the same procedure. Okay, just that this time around you are now crocheting it backwards. You can see that I'm at the front doing it because I want to get that bang, I want to get that fringes, I want it to look gorgeous and amazing after making the wig. Okay, so while creating the bangs or the fringes, make sure you stand at the very front. Okay, do not crochet it backwards. If you do that, you are not going to get that bang. Okay, so that's how you continue doing it. As you can see me showing you, like I've said, that's how you continue to crochet it line by line. You see how my fingers moves, so that's how you continue crocheting it until when you get closer to the middle, you now start to go right round. You start to crochet in a circular motion. Okay, the reason is that why crocheting it in a circular motion, that will help you or make it easy for you to close your work up at the very center. Okay, you see it as I'm showing you. That's how I'm doing it now. I'm no longer going on a horizontal format, I'm now crocheting it right round. Okay, I'm going right round now, not in a horizontal format, if you understand what I mean. And I said the reason is that it will be easy for you to close it up. As you can see, I'm closing my work up. I'm closing it up now. Okay, and I'm still maintaining that circular motion. Okay, that's how you do it. And while crocheting, make sure that you do not give much space, so that at the end of everything your work will look neat and smooth. That's what I'm trying to achieve now. Okay, as you can see from the video, I'm trying to make sure that I close up everywhere so that it will look nice and smooth at the end of everything. Yeah guys, I think I'm done. Yeah, the close-up is good. As I'm showing you, is good. It's good to go with. After closing the work up, the next thing you need to do is to detangle the hair with weave-on comb. If you don't have one, make use of any comb that you have. Detangle it very well. Okay, detangle it with comb. Okay. Now let me show you something. Look at the front side. You see how I crochet it line by line. I have up to 6 lines there before going right round. Here, after detangling it with your comb, the next thing is to cut out a little quantity of hair. Then you roll it on your rollers. The rollers that I'll be using is called flexible rod. Some persons know it with Brazilian rollers. Don't just roll it on the rollers, make sure you twist and roll. If you don't want to have the exact coils I'm having on this video, make sure you twist it and roll it. Don't just roll it. Okay, that's what I'm showing you how to do. You twist and roll, twist and roll. Okay, so after rolling it, make sure you bend your roller so that your work will not scatter. I'll do the rest of camera. Yeah guys, I'm rolling the very last one. You twist and roll, twist it and roll it for you to have a perfect coils. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, then you bend your rollers so that your work won't scatter. This is how the hair looks. Yeah, after rolling it, the next thing you need to do is to make use of your hot water. Make sure that the water is very hot. Then another thing you need to bring is your leave-in conditioner. The conditioner that I'm using today is from Mega Growth, okay? Then you dip the hair inside the hot water, okay? That's what I'm trying to do. Dip it right inside the hot water. Make sure that the water touches all of them. As you can see, I'm using my scissors to make sure that I dip it right inside the bowl so that water will touch all of the hair. If you really want to have a perfect coils, make sure that water touches all of them, okay? And after that, the next thing I need to do is to dry it under the sun. Okay, we are making progress, okay? Yeah guys, this is exactly how the hair looks after sun drying it. Let me remove one for you to see the coils, okay? It looks beautiful. I went ahead to remove the rest of the rollers off camera, and here are the coils. They look so good. I love the outcome. They're so beautiful. So now is the time to separate the coils from each other. Your separation depends on how you want your coils to appear. If you want it to appear bigger, go separate it bigger, okay? Like mine, I want it to have small coils. That's why I'm separating it little by little, okay? I need small coils. So if you want bold or big coils, you can separate it that way. It depends on your personal preference, okay?
This loneliness I feel inside is hard to bear. Jehovah, I can see where I went wrong. Feeling so downhearted, I need strength to carry on. I am yearning to be back where I belong. I remember things you taught me, things I still recall, the precious truths found in your holy word, that even if I stumble, even if I fall.
As you can see, I'm still separating the hair from each other. I'm taking my time. Remember, this is a synthetic hair. Why do you use? Make sure you take your time, because if you rush it, you might end up scattering the whole coils. It's a synthetic hair, so you have to handle it carefully, okay? You have to handle it carefully. Take your time while separating it from each other, so that at the end of everything, the results will gladden your heart, okay? Yeah, this is exactly how the hair should look like after separating it from each other. So sis, the next thing you need to do is to pick up your scissors to trim it down to your desired length, the way you want it to be, the length you want it to be. That's how you're going to trim it, okay? That's what I'm doing to my desired length. That's what I'm doing. Yeah guys, and while trimming the front side, make sure you do not make it too short, okay? You know, the beauty of bang or fringes is when it rests on top of your eyebrow. So do not trim it in such a way it will go up. Trim it so that the beauty will be there when it rests on top of your eyebrow. That's when the beauty will come out, okay? So while trimming the front side, take your time, do not rush it, okay? This is how the wig looks like after trimming it down, okay? I'm loving the outcome. It looks so good. I love the outcome. I'm loving the outcome. So guys, to keep the coils in place after trimming, make sure you apply your styling moves. Me, I use above products. Yours must not be above products. Any styling moves you can lay your hand on. Please, sweetheart, do well to use it. The essence of using it is to keep the coils in place. Remember, this is synthetic, okay? But it is a synthetic, doesn't mean that you should treat it as one. Yeah, guys, this is the end result of our week. Okay, if you have learned something from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you leave your notification bell on so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Try to share the video with family and friends. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, bye bye.